Forecast, warning and coastal observation for Queensland. Please be aware. Wind and wave forecast are average. Wind gusts can be 40% stronger than the forecast and stronger till twice the forecast height. Coastal waters forecast for Queensland. Issued at 4:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, the 2nd of March 2024 for the period until midnight Eastern Standard Time, Monday, the 4th of March 2024. Weather situation, Queensland, Gulf of Carpentaria. A weak pressure pattern across the Gulf waters for several days. Weather situation, North Queensland. A high 1,020 hectopascals in the northern Tasman Sea maintains a ridge over the North Queensland waters. The ridge will persist for several days. A southeasterly wind surge has moved north of Cooktown and will weaken on Sunday. Weather situation, South Queensland. A high 1,020 hectopascals in the northern Tasman Sea maintains a ridge over the South Queensland waters. The ridge will weaken this weekend. A trough will move east across the southeast waters on Monday. A new ridge and southeasterly wind surge will extend over the South Queensland waters in the wake of the trough on Monday as a high moves east across Tasmania. Southeast Gulf of Carpentaria, Queensland's Northern Territory border to Cape Clearwater. Forecast for Saturday. Wind easterly around 10 knots, increasing to 10 to 15 knots early in the morning, then becoming variable around 10 knots in the middle of the day. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 less than 0.5 meters. Weather partly cloudy. 70% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Sunday. Wind variable around 10 knots. Sea less than 0.5 meters. 12 less than 0.5 meters. Weather partly cloudy. 16% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Monday. Wind variable around 10 knots, becoming east to northeasterly 10 to 15 knots during the morning, then decreasing to around 10 knots during the afternoon. Sea less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. 70% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Northeast Gulf of Carpentaria, Cape Clearwater to Crab Island. Forecast for Saturday. Wind easterly 10 to 15 knots, decreasing to around 10 knots in the middle of the day. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 less than 0.5 meters. Weather partly cloudy. 18% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Sunday. Wind east to southeasterly around 10 knots. Sea less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. 18% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Monday. Wind east to northeasterly 10 to 15 knots, decreasing to around 10 knots during the afternoon. Sea less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. 18% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Torres Strait. Forecast for Saturday. Wind east to southeasterly less than 10 knots. Sea less than 0.5 meters. 12 east to southeasterly less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. 18% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Sunday. Wind variable less than 10 knots. Sea less than 0.5 meters. 12 east to southeasterly less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. 17% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Monday. Wind variable less than 10 knots. Sea less than 0.5 meters. 12 east to southeasterly less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. 70% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Peninsula coast sharp port to Cape Melville. Forecast for Saturday. Wind southeasterly 15 to 20 knots, reaching up to 25 knots offshore south of Cape Sidmouth early in the morning. Wind turning easterly 10 to 15 knots in the evening. Sea 1 to 1.5 meters, decreasing to 1 meter during the afternoon. 12 southeasterly around 1 meter outside the reef. Weather cloudy. 90% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Sunday. Wind easterly 10 to 15 knots, reaching up to 20 knots offshore south of Cape Sidmouth early in the morning. Sea around 1 meter. 12 southeasterly less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. 80% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Monday. Wind easterly 10 to 15 knots, decreasing to around 10 knots during the morning, then increasing to 10 to 15 knots during the afternoon. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 east to southeasterly less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. 70% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Cooktown coast, Cape Melville to Cape Tribulation. Forecast for Saturday. Wind southeasterly 15 to 20 knots. Sea 1 to 1.5 meters, decreasing to 1 meter around midday. 12 southeasterly around 1 meter outside the reef. Weather partly cloudy. 80% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Sunday. Wind east to southeasterly 10 to 15 knots. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 east to southeasterly around 1 meter outside the reef. Weather cloudy. 90% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Monday. Wind east to southeasterly 10 to 15 knots, decreasing to around 10 knots during the evening. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 east to southeasterly around 1 meter outside the reef. Weather partly cloudy. 80% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. 10 coast, Cape Tribulation to Caldwell. Forecast for Saturday. Wind southeasterly 15 to 20 knots. Sea 1 to 1.5 meters, decreasing to 1 meter around midday. 12 southeasterly around 1 meter outside the reef. Weather partly cloudy. 70% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm north of Cairns. Forecast for Sunday. Wind southeasterly 10 to 15 knots. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 east to southeasterly around 1 meter outside the reef. Weather partly cloudy. 90% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Monday. Wind east to southeasterly around 10 knots. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 easterly around 1 meter outside the reef. Weather partly cloudy. 80% chance of showers. Townsville coast, Caldwell to Bowen. Forecast for Saturday. Wind southeasterly 15 to 20 knots, turning easterly 10 to 15 knots in the late morning. Sea 1 to 1.5 meters, decreasing to 1 meter during the afternoon. 12 easterly around 1 meter outside the reef. Weather partly cloudy. 70% chance of showers. Forecast for Sunday. Wind easterly 10 to 15 knots, reaching up to 20 knots offshore, south of Cape Bowling Green early in the morning. Sea around 1 meter. 12 easterly around 1 meter outside the reef. Weather partly cloudy. 70% chance of showers. Forecast for Monday. Wind easterly 10 to 15 knots. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 east to northeasterly less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. 50% chance of showers. Mackay, Bowen to St. Lawrence. Forecast for Saturday. Wind easterly 15 to 20 knots. Sea around 1 meter. 12 easterly less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. Forecast for Sunday. Wind easterly 10 to 15 knots, reaching up to 20 knots offshore, north of Hamilton Island early in the morning. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 less than 0.5 meters. Weather mainly sunny. Forecast for Monday. Wind variable around 10 knots, becoming easterly 10 to 15 knots during the afternoon. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 less than 0.5 meters. Weather partly cloudy. Capricornia Coast, St. Lawrence to Burnett Hill. Forecast for Saturday. Wind east to northeasterly around 10 knots. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 easterly less than 1 meter inshore, increasing to around 1 meter offshore. Weather mainly sunny. Forecast for Sunday. Wind north to northeasterly around 10 knots. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 easterly less than 1 meter. Weather mainly sunny. Forecast for Monday. Wind variable around 10 knots, becoming east to northeasterly 10 to 15 knots during the afternoon, then turning east to southeasterly during the evening. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 easterly less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. Chance of a thunderstorm. Coast sandy Cape to Double Island Point. Forecast for Saturday. Wind northeasterly 10 to 15 knots. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 easterly around 1 meter. Weather mainly sunny. Forecast for Sunday. Wind north to northeasterly around 10 knots, increasing to 10 to 15 knots in the evening. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 easterly less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. Forecast for Monday. Wind variable around 10 knots, becoming southeasterly 15 to 20 knots during the afternoon. Sea around 1 meter, increasing to 1 to 1.5 meters inshore during the evening. 12 easterly less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. 70% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Sunshine Coast, waters, Double Island Point to Cape Morton. Forecast for Saturday. Wind northerly around 10 knots, increasing to 10 to 15 knots in the early afternoon. Sea around 1 meter. 12 easterly less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. Forecast for Sunday. Wind north to northwesterly 10 to 15 knots, decreasing to around 10 knots in the late evening. Sea less than 1 meter. 12 easterly less than 1 meter. Weather partly cloudy. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Monday. Wind northwesterly 10 to 15 knots, shifting southeasterly 15 to 25 knots during the day. Sea less than 1 meter, increasing to 1 to 2 meters during the afternoon or evening. 12 southerly less than 1 meter, increasing to 1 to 1.5 meters during the evening. Weather partly cloudy. 80% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Gold Coast, waters, Cape Morton to Point Danger. Forecast for Saturday. Wind, northerly 10 to 15 knots, reaching up to 20 knots south of Point Lookout in the afternoon. Sea, around 1 meter, increasing to 1 to 1.5 meters inshore during the afternoon. 12, easterly less than 1 meter. Weather, mainly sunny. Forecast for Sunday. Wind, north to northwesterly 10 to 15 knots. Sea, around 1 meter. 12, easterly less than 1 meter. Weather, partly cloudy. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Monday. Wind, northwesterly 10 to 15 knots, shifting south to southeasterly 20 to 30 knots during the morning. Sea, less than 1 meter, increasing to 1.5 to 2.5 meters during the morning. 12, southerly less than 1 meter, increasing to 1 to 2 meters during the afternoon. Weather, cloudy. 90% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Great Barrier Reef, offshore waters, forecast, Bowen to Yeppoon. This is at 4:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, the 2nd of March 2024, for the period until midnight Eastern Standard Time, Monday, the 4th of March 2024. Weather situation. A high 1,020 hectopascals in the northern Tasman Sea maintains a ridge over the North Queensland. The ridge will persist for several days. The southeasterly wind surge has moved north of Cooktown and will weaken on Sunday. Forecast for Saturday, March until midnight. Wind easterly 10 to 15 knots, reaching up to 20 knots north of Creel Reef during the morning and again in the late evening. Sea 1 to 1.5 meters, decreasing to 1 meter during the morning. 12, easterly around 1 meter. Weather, partly cloudy. Forecast for Sunday, March. Wind, easterly 10 to 15 knots, reaching up to 20 knots north of Creel Reef early in the morning. Wind decreasing to around 10 knots in the middle of the day. Sea, around 1 meter. 12, easterly around 1 meter. Weather, mainly sunny. Forecast for Monday, 4 March. Wind, variable around 10 knots, becoming east to southeasterly 10 to 15 knots during the afternoon. Sea, less than 1 meter. 12, easterly less than 1 meter. Weather, mainly sunny. Chance of thunderstorms through the Capricorn Channel in the evening. Weather station report for the Queensland Gulf waters for the hour up to 3:10 p.m. unless otherwise stated. Tauranga, wind east at 4 knots, gusting to 7 knots. Rita, wind east at 7 knots, gusting to 9 knots. Rain. Horn Island, wind east-northeast at 7 knots, gusting to 9 knots. Weather station report for the Queensland Northern Coastal waters for the hour up to 3:10 p.m. unless otherwise stated. Horn Island, wind east-northeast at 7 knots, gusting to 9 knots. Lockhart River, wind east-southeast at 5 knots, gusting to 9 knots. Coconut Island, rain. Cape Flattery, wind southeast at 12 knots, gusting to 18 knots. Cooktown, wind southeast at 11 knots, gusting to 16 knots. Bougainville Reef, wind east at 18 knots, gusting to 21 knots. Miller's Island, wind northeast at 12 knots, gusting to 14 knots. Low Isle, wind southeast at 13 knots, gusting to 14 knots. Holmes Reef, wind east at 10 knots, gusting to 12 knots. Ham, wind southeast at 9 knots, gusting to 11 knots. Timbers Reef, wind calm. Marion Reef, wind east at 15 knots, gusting to 16 knots. Council, wind east-northeast at 14 knots, gusting to 17 knots. Albert Beach, wind east at 10 knots, gusting to 14 knots. Hamilton Island, wind southeast at 11 knots, gusting to 13 knots. Creel Reef, wind calm. Frederick Reef, wind east at 11 knots, gusting to 14 knots. Mackay, wind east-southeast at 14 knots, gusting to 17 knots. Middle Percy Island, wind south-southeast at 4 knots, gusting to 5 knots. Janet Cay, wind east-southeast at 11 knots, gusting to 13 knots. Weather station report for the Queensland southern coastal waters for the hour up to 3:10 p.m. Neptune, wind east-northeast at 11 knots, gusting to 13 knots. Cato Island, wind east at 7 knots, gusting to 8 knots. Heron Island, wind northeast at 6 knots, gusting to 7 knots. Rundle Island, wind northeast at 9 knots, gusting to 11 knots. Gladstone, wind north-northeast at 11 knots, gusting to 15 knots. Lady Elliot Island, wind north-northeast at 5 knots, gusting to 8 knots. Double Island Point, wind north-northeast at 13 knots, gusting to 16 knots. Cape Mountain, wind north at 9 knots, gusting to 15 knots. Gold Coast Seaway, wind north-northeast at 15 knots, gusting to 19 knots. End of transmission from DMC for this part of the program.